Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good and resonating with the readings. So today I feel the color is blue, specifically light blue. It will bring in calmness in your mind, it will bring in a lot of clarity in your mind, and you will feel good. Today also, if you can hear the Durga Chalisa whenever you get time, burn a ghee lamp for Durga Ma and sit in front of her and hear the Durga Chalisa. And when you're after hearing the Durga Chalisa, just tell her what it is that you desire. If possible, keep some fruit or something as an offering for her, and then you can have that fruit after the Durga Chalisa is over and after you have burnt the lamp. But preferably something which you can keep for her today will be really good, and later on don't give it to any outsider. You and your family members can have. So let's see what is in store today. Raise them up. That's again a beautiful card. If you see here, for me it looks like a dragon's energy. So let's see what is the next card which has come. Enjoy the moment. So again a beautiful combination. As I said, the raise them up card, when I see, I feel an energy of a dragon. So maybe here what it is saying is just help others, or sometimes we need to see things beyond us. When I say see things beyond us, we need to stop making excuses of what is stopping our growth and think beyond that, and instead of doubting ourselves, just start working on raising ourselves up, and in turn raising those around us can be our family, can be our friends, basically people who come to you for help. You need to even help them, and if you help them, what will happen is whatever hard work you're putting in and whatever amount of energy you're putting into it, you will be happy that the transformation that you have brought in your life and that of others will bring a smile on your face, and that smile will give you happiness. So sometimes we should even think about others and just not think about us, but in turn to think about others and do good to others. We should first be able to sort out our lives for better. So today what you should do is you should not only work towards raising your friends and family up, but also to raise yourself up to a level where you will be able to help and guide others. And in turn, there will be certain moments where people will praise you for the changes and for the things you have brought in their lives, which has changed their life tremendously, and that will bring a beautiful smile on your face. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.